Dehumidifiers are used to reduce and control the humidity level in indoor spaces. They are commonly used in various settings for the following purposes. Home use. Dehumidifiers are often used in homes to maintain a comfortable indoor environment by controlling humidity levels. They can prevent mold and mildew growth, reduce musty odors, and protect furniture, clothing, and other household items from moisture damage. Basements. Basements tend to have higher humidity levels due to their underground location and lack of ventilation. Dehumidifiers are frequently used in basements to prevent dampness, mold growth, and musty odors. Crawl spaces. Crawl spaces are susceptible to high humidity levels, which can lead to mold growth and structural damage. Dehumidifiers are used in crawl spaces to maintain optimal humidity levels and protect the integrity of the building structure. Storage areas. Dehumidifiers are often used in storage areas such as closets, attics, and garages to prevent moisture damage to stored items such as clothing, documents, and electronic equipment. Commercial and industrial settings. Dehumidifiers are used in various commercial and industrial settings such as warehouses, manufacturing facilities, and laboratories to control humidity levels for optimal working conditions and to protect sensitive equipment and materials. Healthcare facilities. Dehumidifiers are used in healthcare facilities such as hospitals, clinics, and laboratories to maintain sterile environments, prevent mold growth, and protect sensitive medical equipment. Museums and archives. Dehumidifiers are used in museums, archives, and other cultural institutions to protect valuable artifacts, documents, and artworks from moisture damage. Greenhouses. Dehumidifiers are used in greenhouses to control humidity levels and create optimal growing conditions for plants. Overall, dehumidifiers are versatile devices used in various settings to maintain optimal humidity levels, prevent moisture-related damage, and create comfortable and healthy indoor environments. A dehumidifier is an electrical appliance designed to reduce and maintain the level of humidity in the air of a specific area or room. It works by drawing in moist air, cooling it to condense the moisture, and then reheating it before releasing it back into the room. The collected water is typically stored in a reservoir that needs to be emptied periodically. In personal life, dehumidifiers offer several benefits. Improving air quality. Preventing mold and mildew. Protecting property. Enhancing comfort. Reducing energy costs. Preserving food and medication. High humidity levels can lead to the growth of mold, mildew, and dust mites, which can trigger allergies and respiratory issues. By reducing humidity, dehumidifiers help create a healthier indoor environment. A dehumidifier is an electrical appliance designed to reduce and maintain the level of humidity in the air of a specific area or room. It works by drawing in moist air, cooling it to condense the moisture, and then reheating it before releasing it back into the room. The collected water is typically stored in a reservoir that needs to be emptied periodically. In personal life, dehumidifiers offer several benefits. Improving air quality. High humidity levels can lead to the growth of mold, mildew, and dust mites, which can trigger allergies and respiratory issues. By reducing humidity, dehumidifiers help create a healthier indoor environment. Preventing mold and mildew. Mold and mildew thrive in damp environments. Dehumidifiers help prevent their growth by removing excess moisture from the air, thus reducing the likelihood of mold and mildew buildup on walls, ceilings, furniture, and clothing. Protecting property. Excessive moisture in the air can damage property, causing warping, peeling paint, and even structural damage over time. Dehumidifiers help protect belongings and property by maintaining optimal humidity levels. Enhancing comfort. High humidity levels can make a room feel sticky and uncomfortable, especially during hot weather. Dehumidifiers help create a more comfortable living environment by reducing humidity levels and improving air circulation. Reducing energy costs. Dehumidifiers can also help lower energy costs by making it easier for air conditioners to cool the air. When humidity levels are high, air conditioners must work harder to remove moisture from the air before cooling it, which can increase energy consumption. Preserving food and medication. In areas with high humidity, Dehumidifiers can help preserve food freshness and extend the shelf life of medications that are sensitive to moisture. Overall, incorporating a dehumidifier into your personal space can contribute to a more comfortable, healthier, and safer indoor environment. Commercial and residential dehumidifiers serve similar purposes but are designed for different environments and usage scenarios. Here's a comparison between the two. Size and capacity. Commercial dehumidifiers. Commercial dehumidifiers are typically larger and more powerful than residential models. They are designed to cover larger areas such as warehouses, factories, basements, or commercial buildings. They have higher moisture removal capacities to handle the larger volume of air in commercial spaces. Residential dehumidifiers. Residential dehumidifiers are smaller and less powerful compared to commercial models. They are suitable for use in homes, apartments, small offices, or individual rooms. Residential dehumidifiers have lower moisture removal capacities but are sufficient for typical household needs. Coverage area. Commercial dehumidifiers. Commercial dehumidifiers are designed to cover large areas ranging from hundreds to thousands of square feet. They are suitable for industrial or commercial settings where there is a need to dehumidify expansive spaces. Residential dehumidifiers. Residential dehumidifiers are designed for smaller areas and are typically used to dehumidify individual rooms or small apartments. They are not intended to cover large areas like commercial dehumidifiers. Portability. Commercial dehumidifiers. Commercial dehumidifiers are usually larger and heavier, often equipped with wheels for easier mobility within large spaces. They may also require professional installation due to their size and complexity. Residential dehumidifiers. Residential dehumidifiers are more compact and lightweight, designed for easy portability between rooms. They are often plug-and-play devices that can be easily set up by homeowners without the need for professional installation. Durability and build quality. Commercial dehumidifiers. Commercial dehumidifiers are built to withstand continuous operation in demanding environments. They are constructed with heavy-duty materials and components to ensure durability and longevity. Residential dehumidifiers. While residential dehumidifiers are also built to be durable, they may not be as rugged as commercial models. They are designed for intermittent use in typical household environments. Cost. Commercial dehumidifiers. Commercial dehumidifiers are usually more expensive than residential models due to their larger size, higher capacity, and industrial-grade construction. Residential dehumidifiers. Residential dehumidifiers are generally more affordable than commercial models, making them accessible to homeowners for personal use. In summary, commercial dehumidifiers are designed for larger spaces and heavy-duty use in industrial or commercial settings, while residential dehumidifiers are intended for smaller areas and personal use in homes or apartments.